Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, today in this video, we are going to learn more about the use of definite article the. And we are also going to revise what are articles and types of articles. This is lesson number 14 of your English grammar book. Article is a word that comes before a noun. Articles are used to point out the people or things. Articles are of two types, indefinite articles and definite articles. Now what are indefinite articles? A and an are indefinite articles. They are used when we are not talking about any person or thing in particular. They are used with singular countable nouns. Now, what are definite articles? The is the definite article. It is used when we refer to specific or particular things. Definite article the. Now, where we need to use the. The is used when we refer to specific or particular things or people. Now look at these examples. Look at the girl in red dress. She is my sister. Here we have used the before girl because we are talking about a particular girl. He spilled the milk on the floor. Here also we have used the before milk because we are talking about a particular milk that has been spilled on the floor. The is also used when we mention something again. Now look at these two examples. I have a storybook. The storybook is very interesting. In the first sentence, we have used article a before storybook. But when we're talking about the storybook again, then we have used the. They have some toys. The toys are new. In this sentence also, we have used the before the toys in the second sentence. The is also used before superlative degree of comparison. Now look at these two examples. This is the best book I have ever read. Who is the most intelligent boy in your class? Here we have used the before the third degree or the superlative degree of comparison. The is also used before the names of unique things. Those things which are only one in the whole universe. The sun rises in the east. Before sun we have used the. The moon and the stars adorn the sky. The is used before the names of river, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, famous buildings, holy books, newspapers, names of nationalities, religious communities, etc. Example, the Ganga, the Red Sea, the Red Fort, the Indian Express, the Hindus. So you can see we have used the before all these nouns. Now we will do a worksheet related to the definite article the. Write the definite article the if needed. Where it is not needed, you need not write. Who is the present Prime Minister of India? So we haven't put any article before India. Have you seen the Parliament House at New Delhi? The Earth is also known as blue planet. We have used the before Earth. Rohit is my friend. We haven't put any article before Rohit. My father reads the Times of India. Here we have used article the before the name of the newspaper. So you can see where the article the has been used. Hope you have understood the concept of definite article through this video. Thank you.